Oh shit, okay, here we go.
Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I added to the tally.
Her specs is she's a T-part curly one. But we'll get into all that later. It's just wrapped, has this bag. And doesn't have a smell. Wow. This is the inside. But I said wow because the parting space is actually quite big, bigger than the ones I had. So comes with 3 combs, 2 here, 1 in the back, and the adjustable strap. All right, honestly, so far, I'm not mad at her. Let's get into fixing her up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
So let's get into the rating system. The wig costs $68.99. So for texture and feel, I'm going to give it a 6 point. Whoa. Let's run that back because I definitely gave it more than that. So when it comes to texture and feel, I'm going to say it's a 8 to a 9 is really, really good. I like how easy it was to put on and stuff like that. The parting space is bigger than the 4 inches. I honestly usually 4 inches be stopping like right here, I'm not gonna lie, but I think they gave like 5. The customization overall of the unit, I am gonna say it's an 8. The hair is really good. For some reason I was struggling trying to put this on and put it together the way that I wanted to. I don't know why. I think it's because I have somewhere to go, and usually when you have somewhere to go, that's when everything want to go haywire. So I genuinely just think that's what it is, and I just need to kind of get off camera to get my mind right to figure out what the hell I was gonna do. And this is how it came out, and I'm happy with the way how it looks. So when it comes to price, I'm gonna give it a 7 or 8, because the reason I'm gonna give it a 7 actually is because in another video that I'll be doing, I'm making a wig, and the longest length is 20 inches, and I paid $60 for that wig, for the bundles. So comparing, I'm kind of really gonna say for 16 inches for $69, the price is kind of looking 6 to a 7 out of 10. Like, I feel like, damn, it could have been better, but the feel and everything balances it out. There's no shedding that I really receive. Yeah, like one, but it's curly hair, so it makes sense. There's no tangling that I'm getting. The hair, when you put water on it, I'll show you guys. It just kind of go in its curl pattern. I think if you really want it to be big, put some mousse in it, run your hands through it, and just keep fluffing it out like that, and she's gonna grow on you to a larger scale. So what I recommend, I think if this is the exact type unit that you're looking for, then I would say, yeah, I think it's a fairly decent price. But if you don't want to spend that much money on it, then no, that would not be my recommendation. Like, if you can find one that is cheaper, go with the cheaper option versus like paying the $60-something for like the 16 inches like I did. So yeah, but thank y'all so much for watching, and thank y'all for supporting your girl, and just have a blessed day.